everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. It's a really great low budget wonder. It's a low budget, high impact format that I think you're really going to like. This comes to us from our good friends at Xander Press in Brillion, Wisconsin. This was designed by Angela Kuchenbecker, and this is a self-promo piece for Xander. And I'm going to talk about the format, and then I want to tell you a bit about the print effects that are on it as well. So this is a wonderful little modification to a classic double parallel fold. So if you watch Fold of the Week, double parallel is in half and then in half again. So usually all the panels are very close to being the same size. But what they did here is they made this panel, the top one on the inside, which is also the trailing panel, which I'll show you, they made this shorter, which creates interest and kind of a little stepped edge as well. But also from a production standpoint, doesn't increase the difficulty of this format. So it's still just two parallel folds, in half and in half, basically. Except this trailing panel is short. So really nice from a production and a budget perspective, and yet you get a lot more impact in playing with the length of this panel. I also really like the long horizontal spread that you get when you open this up. So this is done on an 80-pound uncoated cover sheet, and yet there's some shimmer going on here, which is really nice. There's a silver metallic and also a clear spot gloss as well. And this was printed on a Xerox Iridescent machine. So this is all digitally printed and just has a lot of just color pop, wonderful gloss effects and metallics. So I just love this. These were scored and hand folded their first run. They did a couple hundred, but these are totally machinable when they increase the run length. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Double parallel with short trailing panel. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.